Linear regression models can be used to answer questions about the data and predict the future. So interpolation is using the regression model to predict values in between the data points. So this is filling in the gaps of the data. Extrapolation is using the regression model to predict values outside of the data points. So this is predicting the future. Number 1 says, refer to the regression model from section 12.3, number 1. So for that question, we got y is equal to negative 0.6x plus 10.2. Part A says, use the model to find the value of y when x is equal to 15. So we need to plug in 15 for x in the equation and then solve for y. So we should get 1.2. Part B says, use the model to find the value of x when y is equal to negative 4.8. So we must plug negative 4.8 in for y, and then solve for x. So subtract 10.2 from both sides, and then divide both sides by negative 0.6, and x is equal to 25.